Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at how to adjust the refrigerator door on the fresh food side of a Frigidaire refrigerator. As you can see, when you open the door and close it, it doesn't close all the way. And the reason for that is because the door is a little bit crooked and it's actually a little bit too low. And the reason I know that is because when I watch it close, the bottom of it rubs. And that right there is when it starts to get kind of tough to push closed. So, if I look in here, I can see some rubbing. And also, if I look underneath here, I can also see some rubbing. So, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the door so that no longer hits there. What you're going to want to do first is go ahead and empty everything out of the refrigerator door because we're going to be taking it off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I got the refrigerator door emptied out. Now what I'm going to do is show you how to remove it. What you got to do is you got to go to the bottom hinge, and that bracket there, those 3 bolts have to come off. Okay, it looks like it is a 10mm. So I got my 10mm ratchet and socket here, and I'm going to go ahead and take these 3 bolts out. Now just be careful when you take this last bolt out, because obviously the refrigerator door is going to fall. If you feel like you can't do it by yourself, grab a helper and they'll help you kind of hold the door while you get that last bolt out. Now I'm just here by myself, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of hold the refrigerator door up while I take this bracket out. And actually, this particular door is staying up by itself. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that be, and I'll show you guys how to adjust the hinge so that it lifts the door. I took this hinge off, and I was thinking that if I turn this, it would lift the door. But it doesn't work that way, because the hole in the door is actually taller than this this hinge part here. So, and there's a little washer on here that kind of helps the refrigerator door spin. So what I did was I looked to see what kind of washers I have, and I came up with this piece here. So what I'm going to do is just put this piece on there like that, and that'll actually raise the door enough so that it will not rub on the bottom. I mean, you could, this is just what I had laying around. Really, you can use anything to put on here to kind of raise the door, but that's just what I had laying around. You could use washers, anything that will space the, make a bigger space there so the door lifts up. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on and see what happens. Okay, let me go ahead and put this on here. Gotta kind of lift up on the door as I put it on. and snug them up so they're tight. Not too tight though. You don't want to strip the bolt. And there we go. Okay, so as you can see, the washer is on the hinge and it is installed. I put all 3 bolts back. So let's go ahead and see how the door opens and closes now. And there we go. It closes beautiful now. So it looks like that did the trick. Alright, I went ahead and put all my food back in. So now it's a little bit heavier, but we're going to test it out now because the door is really light when it's empty, of course. And it's still clearing. Beautiful. Let's try that again. Barely even have to push it. Wow. It looks like that fixed our issue. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and please check out my other videos. My next order of business on this refrigerator is going to be, as you guys may have seen, changing out this door gasket, which is in pretty rough shape. So be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos if you guys want to learn how to change the refrigerator door gasket on your refrigerator. Again, thanks for watching, guys. This is Appliance Guy Online, signing off.